This video shows how to buy shares of Rockwell Medical Inc. using the phrase, "How to buy shares of Rockwell Medical Inc." as our search guide. Rockwell Medical develops intravenous iron therapies and dialysis-related products. It is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RMTI. This content is educational and not financial advice. To trade, you need a regulated broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker RMTI to find the stock. Make sure you select the listing that matches Rockwell Medical Inc. to ensure it is the correct share. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm the security. Verify the name reads Rockwell Medical Inc. and the ticker shows RMTI before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to allocate, and select your order type, for example, market or limit. Review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio or holdings list. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below if you want to view the platform used in this walkthrough.